Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Urdu Faster. Today we will learn what to call our family members in Urdu language as per our relationship with them. And you will be amazed how beautiful their Urdu version is. So let's get started. First, we use the term family, in which our parents, children, spouse, brothers, sisters, in short, immediate members of family involved. So the term family in Urdu is called Khandan. Khandan. Yes, you heard it right. Khandan. Repeat after me. Khandan. This is the accurate word for family in Urdu language. Now, we further dive into different categories under term family. Number one is immediate family members. Herein, father. In Urdu, called Walid. Walid. Repeat after me. Walid. That's proper term for father. But here are some more terms Urdu speaker used to call father in Urdu language, like Abbu. Abbu. Repeat after me. Abbu and Abba. And also some users use Baba too. These all terms used to call father in Urdu language, where Walid and Abbu are more common. Next is mother. In Urdu, called Walida. Walida. And Ma. Ma. Repeat after me. Walida. Walida. Or you can say Ma. Ma. These both are widely used in Urdu language, and there are more beautiful words people used to call mother in Urdu, like Ammi, Mama, Amma too. Next is brother. In Urdu, called Bhai. Bhai. Repeat after me. Bhai. One more thing to understand, when you say Bhai for brother, then for elder brother, you would say Bada Bhai. Bada Bhai. Repeat after me. Bada Bhai. And for younger brother, you would say Chota Bhai. Chota Bhai. Repeat after me. Chota Bhai. Next is sister. In Urdu, called Behan or Hamshira. Both are correct. But in general term, Behan use more in communication. Repeat after me. Behan. Behan. This term is more commonly used in communication, and you can also use Hamshira. Hamshira. This specific term used in both formal and casual conversation. Now, one more thing to understand here too, if you are using term behan for sister, then for elder sister you would say badi behan. Badi behan. Repeat after me. Badi behan. And for younger sister you would say choti behan. Choti behan. Repeat after me. Choti behan. Next is son. In Urdu, called beta. Beta. Repeat after me. Beta. Beta. This is a term used in daily conversation, but if you want to go for formal, literary, then son in Urdu called farzand. Farzand. Repeat after me. Farzand. This term mostly used for poetry, formal speeches, and for more respectful tones. One more thing here too to understand, if you are using the term beta for son, then for elder son you would say bada beta. Bada beta. Repeat after me. Bada beta. And for younger son you would say chota beta. Chota beta. Repeat after me. Chota beta. Now, next is daughter. In Urdu, called beti. Beti. Repeat after me. Beti. This is a term used in daily conversation, but if you want to go for formal, literary, then daughter in Urdu is called dukhtar. Dukhtar. Repeat after me. Dukhtar. This term is used mostly for poetry, formal speeches, and for more respectful tones. And one more thing here to understand. If you are using the term beti for daughter, then for elder daughter you would say badi beti, badi beti. Repeat after me, badi beti. And for younger daughter you would say choti beti, choti beti. Before you go, now you know how to talk about your immediate family members in Urdu. But here is something interesting. Urdu has completely different words for grandparents, relatives, and even in laws, and some of them are really surprisingly beautiful. In the next video, I will show you those words step by step. So you don't just speak Urdu, you sound natural. Make sure you just watch that lesson, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep learning Urdu the easy way. Khuda Hafiz.